Okay, now we are September 26th. We can see on our charts, especially the 5-minute chart, that we are in a strong downtrend. I drew some trend lines to show the downtrend. I actually started with the first one, this one, from this point to this point and then to this point, and the rest of them are parallel lines on this one, and I just used the different tops to draw them. Okay, so I make it small again. So what we see here on 15-minute chart, the stochastic is down. On the 5-minute chart, the stochastic is turning up. It is at 40 now. You can see this dotted line. And of course on the 1-minute chart, the stochastic is going up. And what I'm waiting now is for the price to turn from this stochastic here to start turning down the 1 minute to enter the trade. I will add this line here, or I don't really need to add it. I will just put this number, the high, the 45.83, in my spreadsheet and keep on changing it until it shows weakness so that I can go short. 45.83 is the high for the moment. 45.83. You see, I keep changing this number, so I don't have to recalculate it every time it's done automatically. The program suggests an entry at 45.76. 45.76. So here it should be. I will put now my limit sell of 30,000 units, always a stop loss and a take profit, submit, and then I will change in case my price goes higher. So 45.83 is the top for the moment. I can see here that the stochastic is at 86. I think it's getting a little bit tired and it should start going down. We can see here that the stochastic on the 5-minute is pointing up. For the moment is not that important, okay, as long as it will turn. We can see here on the 15-minute chart that the stochastic does not move, stays practically flat, so we do not have a strength. I can readjust this 45.85, 45.85. So now my entry point is as 45.78. If I want to change this, I can do it. So by right clicking on the order, I can modify the order and then put it at 45.77. Anyway, I will have to change it because the price is going higher and higher. Okay, let's see at what level I have to put it. Is 45.87 is now the top. 45.87. It keeps on moving. So it should enter at 45.80. So my entry point should be there. Okay, let's change it again. Modify order 45.80. Okay, then I wait for the price to come to me. Let's see what the stochastic on the 1 minute is doing. It did not turn yet, but we hope that it will turn and meet our price under the 80 level. Of course, price could go to 146, 147, but this is not a problem for us. We are working according to our plan. We are waiting now for the price to go down. All the indications are good. The only one that I don't like is this stochastic on the 5 minute that is pointing up. The stochastic on the 15 minute is low. We are touching here our moving averages, which are going to work as a resistance, and we already see here on the 1 minute stochastic that the curve starts to point down. It was at 88, now it is at 83. Our trade is open. We have a stop loss, which is here at 45.92, and we have a take profit at 45.75. The price keeps on going on our side. I will move now the stop loss to protect my position, so in case something goes wrong I will lose less. Okay, I bring it down. I brought the stop loss a little bit closer. I can even move the stop loss just above the entry, so in case the price goes up, then I will lose just a couple of pips. In case it decides not to continue and go up. It is almost there. I will try to change the take profit if I have the time. I will put it here at 45.70. Okay, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to enter here. I'm short. I'm going to put here a buy order to close half of my position. So I put a limit buy with 15,000 units. I do not want a stop loss and a take profit anymore, because this is just to close half of my position. Okay, so when this blue square is going to be reached, half of my position, you heard the little bell, closed. Now I can move my stop loss here. So I already closed half of my position with a profit. In case the price goes up and hits my stop loss, I will still have a profit, and if it continues to 45.70, then I will make an even bigger profit. Things don't look that good. Price is reversing, but I already have for my first 15,000 profit, and now my stop loss was hit and my trade is closed, and I have let me see. Okay, if you want to see the results, you go here to history. And this is the profit I made. For the first 15,000 I made $8, and for the second one that hit my stop loss another, so it's almost 9 plus $2 that makes almost 11, with a bet, if you want to call it like this, of $300. Okay, that concludes my trade for now. It was a successful, pre-planned, that worked well. See you then sometime around. Okay. I will close now everything.